Hello everyone, this analysis is going to be for the US dollar, starting it off on a daily time frame and then dropping down to the 4 hour to show you a little bit more detail of what I'm looking at. So we did have a head and shoulders pattern that broke the neckline here indicated by the red trend line here. We see here that the price did in fact go all the way down to around 92.60 as expected, and near term I'm expecting just a little bit more weakness. I think that we'll get a shake back down to approximately that 92.40 level, and that'll coincide with some of that price action we saw back in here around 92.40 area, just where these peaks were shy of this fib level around 61.8%. So I'm expecting a little bit near term, a little bit more near term weakness before we do see a attempt by the dollar to get back to 93. Beyond that, I think that we'll run into more resistance here and then start rolling back over. And the reason being is because of how technically bearish we closed last week out, where we actually closed beneath the 200 period moving average yet again, and it's resisting my MAs as well. So maybe a little bit more pop up to that 93 level, and then another push back down to the lows, and eventually breaking to the south side even more. So that's what I'm seeing here as far as the US dollar is concerned. Near term, a little bit more bearishness followed by a test maybe up to about 93 and then having that rollover back down. So it looks like the trend is continuing. Bears are taking back control, and so it will be where we'll see that near term, like I said, rally back up to about 93 or so, and that's and then we have the 50 period moving average just above there. If we do happen to break 93, that's just going to be an extension to maybe, and I say that, I stress that, maybe to about 93.30, 93.40, but that's less likely. I give that maybe a 20% chance of happening. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing that there's a lot of resistance here near that 93 level. Beyond that, if we happen to get up to that level, then we'll be looking at challenging 93.30, 93.40, which is where the previous support levels were lying here. So that's going to be a lot of effort here, and by then I'll definitely be updating you with my next public video, which will be on Wednesday evening. Subscribe to my channel, don't miss out. I thank you all so much for watching. Have a green trading week.